If your iPhone battery is draining faster after updating to iOS 26, you're not alone. This happens with almost every major update, and it's usually fixable. Today I'm going to show you exactly what settings to change to stop your iPhone from dying too fast. Now, first things first, you should let the update settle. After a major update like iOS 26, your phone does a ton of background work, indexing files, optimizing apps, syncing photos. Give it 1 to 2 days to settle down. But if your battery is still draining fast after 48 hours, move on to these steps. Solution 1. Turn off background app refresh. Go to Settings, find and open General. Scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh again. Tap Off or choose Wi-Fi only. This stops apps from updating in the background when you're not using them. Huge for saving battery. Solution 2. Turn off the live activities, especially for lock screen. Live activities can be a battery killer if overused. Go to Settings, scroll down and open Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode if prompted. Now scroll down again and turn off live activities. Solution 3. Disable location services smartly. Go to Settings, scroll all the way to Privacy and Security. Now tap Location Services. Turn off location access for apps that don't need it. It could be clock app, voice memos, reminders, etc. After that, scroll down to the bottom of Location Services page. Select System Services. Disable HomeKit. Tap Significant Locations to turn it off. These two are not that important of a feature and they can seriously reduce passive battery drain. Solution 4. Reduce motion and visual effects. If animations feel smoother in iOS 26 but battery feels worse, go to Settings. Find and open Accessibility. Tap Motion. Toggle on Reduce Motion. Also toggle Prefer Crossfade Transitions if you haven't already. Less fancy animations equals more battery saved. Solution 5. Enable low power mode when needed. Swipe down the control center on your iPhone. Tap the low power mode icon. Use it when your battery dips below 30% or during long days out. Now these fixes should help you fix the problem, but if the issue still persists, then you can wait for the next update. Apple usually fixes update-related problems on their next patches. Wait for the next iOS 26 patch update and hopefully by then, your problem will be fixed. I'll be taking my leave for now.